Dear students, welcome back. So I'm here with next illustration number 10. So that is on hire purchase. So let us look at the problem. Suraksha Travels Limited purchased 4 Indica cars on 1st January 2015 from Tata Motors under hire purchase system on the following terms. So what are the terms? Let us see. See, point A clearly says cash price of each car was rupees 3,60,000. So how many cars Suraksha Travels have bought? 4 cars. Each car cost is 3,60,000. I think you got the idea, right? So while calculating cash price, so we have to multiply this 3,60,000 into number of cars purchased. Okay, so let us go to the point B. Point B clearly says down payment 10% of cash price. So then we have to first find out the cash price, then on that 10% we have to calculate, so that will become a down payment. Okay, so next point C, balance payable in 3 equal installment along with a 9% interest per annum. So the balance, whatever they are supposed to be payable, so that should be paid in 3 equal installments. So that too with the interest of 9% per annum. Then Suraksha Travels charges depreciation at 10% under written down value method. That is nothing but diminishing balance method. Clear? That is nothing but diminishing balance method. So reducing balance method. So that is what we call it here, WDV method, that is written down value method. Okay. So let us look at the working note. So working note, calculation of cash price, down payment and the balance which has to be payable on installment basis. So let us look at the cash price. So take down cash price 3,60,000 into 4. So that comes to 14,40,000. Less the down payment 14,40,000 into, because point B clearly says down payment 10% of the cash price. Clear? So open the bracket, 14,40,000 into 10 divided by 100. So that comes to 1,44,000. When you deduct 14,44,000, when you deduct 1,44,000 from 14,40,000, so the balance to be payable in installment is 12,96,000, which has been shown here in this working note. Clear? So how much? 12,96,000. So now we have to pay an annual installment which has to be equally distributed for 3 years. For that also we have a formula. What is that formula? So that is each installment equals balance payable divided by number of installments. So balance payable is 12,96,000 divided by 3. So that comes to 4,32,000. How much? 4,32,000 is the each installment which has to be payable for 3 consecutive years, because he said clearly in the problem, so 3 years the balance should be paid in 3 annual equal installment. Clear? So let us open a motor car account. So obviously you have to open 6 columns table. So that is the date, particulars, rupees, date, particulars, rupees. So motor cars account. So what is the opening date? The date of purchase. So that is on 1/1/2015 to Tata Motors account. So how much? The cash price of the car? 14,40,000. That is correct. 14,40,000. So now go to the credit column. In the credit side, on the date column, 31st/12/2015, that is year end. So 31st/12/2015, by depreciation account, open the bracket, 14,40,000 into, what is the rate of depreciation? 10%. So 10 divided by 100. So that is what I have done the working note there. So in brackets 14,40,000 into 10 divided by 100. So that comes to 1,44,000 rupees. That is depreciation. So now deduct 1,44,000 from 14,40,000. So the balance you are going to get 12,96,000. So on 31st/12/2015. By balance carried down 12,96,000. So both the side total 14,40,000, 14,40,000. So next year 1/1/2016, to balance brought down 12,96,000 rupees. So on the year end of 2016, that is on 31st/12/2016, by depreciation account, so 10% again. So open the bracket, 12,96,000 into 10 divided by 100. So that comes to 1,29,600 rupees. Clear? So on the same date, 31st/12/2016, so deduct 1,29,600 from 12,96,000. So the difference you are going to get 11,66,400. So that is by balance carried down. So by balance carried down how much? 11,66,400. So both the side total 12,96,000, 12,96,000. So next year, third year, brought down the balance figure, that is on 1/1/2017, to balance brought down. So the balance brought down amount 11,66,400. How much? 11,66,400 on 31st/12/2017 by depreciation account. Open the bracket and write 11,66,400 into 10 divided by 100. So which exactly is 1,16,640. So that is 1,16,640. So on the same closing date, 31st/12/2017, by balance carried down. So 10,49,760. How much? 10,49,760. Clear? So now, as per the information provided in the problem, he has asked us to prepare only for 3 years. So I have done with the 3 years calculation of depreciation part. So now on the 4th year, I am bringing down that balance and just we are going to leave. That is, we are going to close the account. So next year is 1/1/2018, to balance brought down. So that is going to be 10,49,760. So with this entry, so we are done with the motor car account. So it is the simplest problem. So you need not to scratch your head. Okay. So anyways, we are done with the motor car account. So next we are supposed to move to the next statement which we are supposed to prepare, that is Tata Motors account. Which account? Tata Motors account. Okay, so Tata Motors account, open with this again, 6 column, date, particulars, rupees, date, particulars, rupees. Okay, so now we always start this problem from the credit side of the account. So credit side of the account, put the opening date, that is 1/1/2015, by motor cars account. What was the cash price of the motor car? So that is each car 3,60,000. Correct? Open the bracket and write 3,60,000 into 4. So how much you got? 14,40,000. Correct? So now come back to the debit side. So on the debit side, first opening date, that is 1/1/2015, to bank account. What was the down payment we made? 10% of the cash price. Correct? So 14,40,000 into 10 divided by 100, that comes to 1,44,000. So that should be on the debit column. Okay. So now we have to calculate interest. So while calculating interest, we should deduct the down payment from the cash price. Okay. So get back to the credit side now. 31st/12/2015, by interest account, open the bracket, 12,96,000 into, so what is the rate of interest? 9%. So 9 divided by 100. So that comes to 1,16,640 rupees. So we have got the interest, that is 1,16,640. So now go back to the debit side. On 31st 12 2015, to bank account, open the bracket, what is the interest we are supposed to pay? 1,16,640 plus what is the installment amount actually should be paid? 4,30,000. So now add this 1,16,640 plus 4,32,000. So we are going to get an amount 5,48,640. So to bank account 5,48,640. Clear? So now total the debit column side. So we are going to get a total of 15,56,640. How much? 15,56,640 minus 1,44,000 minus 5,48,640. So the difference is 8,64,000. So which we used to call it as a balance carried down figure. So balance carried down figure is 8,64,000 rupees. So now both the side total is 15,56,640, 15,56,640. So now we are supposed to move to the third year, correct? So in the third year, so we have to go with the opening balance, so that should be in the credit side again. So let us move towards the credit side, so which we are supposed to do a calculation. Clear? So on the credit side, opening date, that is 1/1/2016, by balance brought down. So how much the balance carried down? Last year closing balance is always opening balance of this year. So what was the last year closing balance? So that is 8,64,000 rupees, correct? So now balance brought down 8,64,000 rupees on the year in 31st 12 2016 by interest account. Open the bracket and write 8,64,000 into what is the rate of interest? 9%. So 9 divided by 100, that comes to 77,760 rupees. How much? 77,760 rupees. So now add this to 8,64,000 plus 77,760. So the total will be 9,41,760. How much? 9,41,760. So get back to the debit side. To bank account, what is the interest we have found? 77,760 rupees plus what is the equal installment we are supposed to payable? 4,32,000. So 77,760 plus 4,32,000 put together, it is 5,09,760. How much? 5,09,760, which I have denoted here. So then to balance carried down on 31st 12/2016 is 4,32,000. Clear? So 8,64 plus 77,760, the total will be 9,41,760. Out of 9,41,760, deduct 5,09,760. So the balance carried down will be 4,32,000. That is for the third year. So brought down that balance on 1/1/2017 to the credit side by balance brought down 4,32,000. On the year end, that is 31st 12/2017, by interest account, open the bracket and write 4,32,000 into 9 divided by 100. So how much the interest now? 38,800, correct? 38,800. Now total the credit side amount column of the 2017 year. So that is 4,32,000 plus 38,880 rupees. So the total you're going to get is 4,70,880. 4,70,880. So get back to the debit side. 31st 12/2017 to bank account. Open the bracket. We know the rate of interest, that is 9%. When we calculated, we got 38,880. So write down that 38,880 plus the equal installment amount is 4,32,000. Add both, so you're going to get 4,70,880 rupees. How much? 4,70,880 rupees. Clear? So now add both the sides. So you're going to get 4,70,880 rupees. Clear? So now we are done with the major part of hire purchase system. Clear? So now we are supposed to prepare two more accounts, so which we call it as a depreciation account and interest account. Clear? So let us look at the depreciation account. So depreciation account, while preparing, so you have to consider the motor car account. In motor car account, to which side you have calculated depreciation? Credit side. So then motor car should be debited in the depreciation account. Correct? So debited, that's all. 31/12/2015 on the debit side. Two motor car account, 1,44,000. 31/12/2015, that will be transferred to P&L account, 1,44,000. Again on 31/12/2016, two motor car account, 1,29,600 on 31/12/2016 by P&L account. So that is 1,29,600. And on the third year, that is 31/12/2017, two motor car account, 1,16,640. So the same year in 31/12/2017 by P&L account, 1,16,640. So both the side total got tallied, 1,16,640, 1,16,640 rupees. Clear? So now we are moving further towards interest account, as we are done with the depreciation account with 3 years statement. Clear? So again, interest account is also very simple. So that we are going to calculate on the consideration of vendors account. Clear? So higher vendor will be considered here. In higher vendor account, which side we have calculated interest? Credit side, correct? So then obviously interest account should be debited by the higher vendor account. So open 31/12/2015, two higher vendor account, first year interest 1,16,640 rupees. So that should be transferred to P&L account. So transfer it on the same day, 31/12/2015 by P&L account, 1,16,640 rupees. Clear? So now in the second year, that is 31/12/2016, two higher vendor account. So that is 77,760 rupees by P&L account on the same date, 77,760. On the third year, higher vendor account 38,880 and 31/12/2017 by P&L account 38,880 rupees. So with these three statements, so that is motor car account, then vendor account, then depreciation and interest account, we are done with the problem. So we have done with the solution part of the problem. So I'm going to stop here. So I'll see you soon with one more problem. So very soon I'll get back to you. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you.